Hello, this is Lawrence Wetzel, and I am a solution consultant with Beyond 20. Today I'm going to demonstrate the functionality built around validation and auto-population in Cherwell. And so in order to demonstrate this, we're going to need to open up a new blueprint. I'm going to go to the lookup tables area, and I'm going to make some changes to the department lookup table. Now I want to edit the form to see what they have, okay? And what I'd like to do here to demonstrate this is add a department manager and a department phone number. Now the department manager will go through and validate from the customer table and the department manager phone number will auto-populate and pull in from that table as well. But in order for our auto-population to happen, we're going to need to set up the validation first. So we're going to hit new field. We'll make this department manager. We'll go through and make that 50 characters. Okay, that's looking good. Now we're going to go down to validation and auto population here on the left. As you can see, we're going to validate from a table, and we wanted to actually do all tables, so let's go ahead and select that. Then we're going to go down and locate the customer table, and we're going to validate from the full name. Perfect. And now that's all set up and it's looking good. And we're also going to want to go through and get a new field here. We'll call it Department Manager Phone. We'll make this 30 characters long. And this is going to auto-populate. So once again on the left side, go down to validation and auto-populate. We're going to auto-populate this whenever there's a change to the field department manager. So whenever this field changes, it's going to go through and grab the phone number here from the customer table when that changes. As you can see, field from the customer lookup table, phone, so this looks like it's all set up correctly. Let's hit OK. Now we're going to drag on the department manager, and let's do some quick cosmetics here to this form. And if you select everything, you'll be able to locate at the top here align left, so we'll align everything to the left. That's looking good. Alright, perfect. And I think that's pretty good. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and save that. Call it test. And we'll go ahead and oh yeah, okay, that's looking good. Alright, and we'll exit out. And now we need to publish the blueprint, so let's go ahead and actually, last but not least, we're going to need to make sure that this is going to be available in the lookup table for editing. So we need to edit the business object, go to the business object properties, and yes, show in table management. So that's good. That way we can actually edit it and make changes here in the blue client, so we can see what changes have been made. So we'll go ahead and hit OK. That's looking good. And now we'll go ahead and publish it. Each time we make changes in the orange client and we publish a blueprint, you will need to reload the definitions into the blue client. So now that we published it, we saved it, everything's looking good there, we need to go open up the blue client, and we're going to need to reload the definitions in order for those changes to be imported in. Now we'll go ahead and go to Tools and the blue client and go down to Table Management. We'll scroll down to Department, and we'll select any department here to take a look. As you can see, the form has been updated to reflect the changes we made, and we can select any user now from the user table, and when that happens, their phone number pops in. Alright, so key things to remember is that auto population has to be done from a field that's being validated. So when there's a change to a field that's validated, auto population is possible. And once that's set up, it's a pretty smooth sailing ship for getting a lot of information insert into a form quickly. Alright, well, I hope you enjoyed and thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks.